how to ruin your life step by step. And I'm pretty sure most of you are already on that path, or at least doing some of the steps. So, if you want to completely ruin your life, just follow ahead. Number one is to fix your mindset, and that is to blame absolutely everything. Nothing is your way. Nothing is your fault, alright? Not your habits, not your discipline, not your results. Always blame something. If you fail at something, blame your family, blame your friends, just blame anything, you know? Listen, as long as it's not your fault, you never have to change. So whatever it may be. Number two, it has to do with your time. And we have to waste it at the max. Treat your time like you have so many years ahead, thousands of years ahead, you know? If you want to scroll for 2 hours, scroll for 2 hours. If you want to delay something, delay something. If you want to procrastinate before starting a business, studying, whatever you want to do, procrastinate. You know, say I'll start tomorrow until tomorrow becomes next year. And once next year comes around, you say, alright, I'll wait till next year again. And keep doing that all over again. You don't need to rush, alright? Your life is just slowly moving. You have a lot of time. Number three, it has to do with your body, with your physical shape. You need to neglect it. You don't need to sleep properly, alright? Just sleep like trash. Nobody cares. Eat like trash, because if you want to feel good, you gotta eat good, you know what I'm saying? And move as little as possible. If you want to go somewhere, just take your car. Even if it's just 2 minutes down the shop, just take your car, bro. Why you need to move? You know, you gotta save some calories, you gotta save some energy if things get tough, you know what I'm saying? You have to destroy your body, and simply your mind will follow. Number four is your friends. Make sure you choose the crackheads. Make sure you choose the dumb ones who have nothing going on in their life. You have to surround yourself with people who do not try, who do not grow, who simply just don't care. They neglect absolutely every single responsibility in their life. Stay with them. That's good. Number five, we have with your relationships. You have to sabotage them. You have to be a dickhead. With your mom, say something rude. With your partner, never talk nicely. Never buy them gifts. With your dad, never tell him how much you appreciate him, because you shouldn't appreciate him at all. You know what I'm saying? You have to stay in toxic situation. You have to beg for attention. You have to treat other people nicely, but treat your family like trash, because your family doesn't matter. Only your outer space or your outer style, your outer knowledge matters. Not your inside circle, only your outer. Number six, we have to go with dating. You have to do everything absolutely backwards than what they tell you in the dating life. You have to be needy. You have to overtext. You have to change yourself to be liked. You have to cheat in a relationship. If you want to be enough, you have to cheat. You should never buy them gifts. They should buy you gifts, not you, alright? You're the prize. Listen, the more you chase, the less they value you. The more you talk trash, the less they value you. So it's perfect, you know what I'm saying? You know, text her good morning, good night, good afternoon. Just don't have self-respect at all. Cheat on her without her knowing. Number seven, we have money. You have to waste it on a good way. You know what I'm saying? You have to spend everything. If it's just $5 or $10, who cares? Spend it, bro. You don't have to save it, alright? You have money coming in. At the end of the day, you can just go ask for money in the needy freaking thing, the building where they give you free money if you need it. I will pull up the name of the thing because I can't remember right now. I'm a dumbass. But you have to never learn to save, to invest, discipline. Or if you do invest in crypto, bro, you don't need to study. Just put the money in. If it goes up, it goes up. You know, you're a millionaire. If it doesn't go up, you can try again tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Number eight, we have work and purpose. You shouldn't work. Why would you work when other people work for you? You know what I'm saying? You don't have to build anything. You don't have to commit to anything. Just start things, start things quite fast. If it doesn't work, if you don't become a millionaire by doing something very quickly, no, bro, it's not going to work. Listen, consistency is simply overrated. You have to stay confused forever. If you want to start a business, if it doesn't work for like maybe a week max, just quit, bro. Try something else. It's not a big deal. Or if you want to build a good body, if you don't get shredded in just 1 week or 2 max, you just go back to what you were doing because it simply didn't work. You know what I'm saying? Number 9 is about your identity. You have to absolutely not give a shit about it. You have to live for validation. If unknown people don't give you validation, you're doing it wrong. Don't give a shit about your family or your partner or whatever, your best friends. Don't even care, alright? Just look for unknown people to give you validation, whatever it may be. You have to care what every single person thinks. If they say, oh, look at him, you have to say, what am I doing wrong? What do I need to fix it? especially from people who don't like you, especially from that. Listen, the more people who don't like you that start to like you, the less you will know yourself and the better your life will be. Number 10 is the final step, which is the most important. You have to do all of these every single day. You have to repeat these on a daily basis, because if you don't, it's not that crazy. Because listen, ruining your life isn't one big mistake. You have to do it every single day. It's small, weak decisions repeated daily. Excuse me, not weak decisions, good, strong decisions. Here's the problem. This isn't extreme. Nowadays, this is normal actually. Most people aren't unlucky. They're just consistent at doing the wrong things. If you want to ruin your life, just keep going and do what you're doing or what I told you in this video. But if something here felt a little too real, you already know what needs to change. I really hope this video reached the right person and reached the one who actually needs the video, as I really want this video to help someone. Obviously, if you want to continue to ruin your life, just follow these steps that I provided in this video. But if you simply really just want to take things seriously and up your level, fix your fitness, fix your daily habits, honestly, you have to start small. Just like I said, small things will become big. They will compound over time, and one day you will realize how much better you've gotten. Or if you don't take things seriously, you will realize how worse you've gotten. You can never stay in one place. You either get better or you get worse, day by day. Special thanks to my partner who actually gave me this idea. I will see you guys very soon. Let's go, bro. You got it.